Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to DraftKings. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you because I'm outside the US and I cannot access Venmo at the moment, so I truly apologize. So, how to add the Venmo to DraftKings? So, of course, you can simply log into your DraftKings apps or websites, as an example. So, there's the the DraftKings website. You can go, as an example, and log into it. Of course, I get that because I'm outside the US probably, but for you, you will not have this problem. Of course, I can use a VPN and I can try to access this, but I'm not going to do this at the moment. So, how to basically log in that or uh, add your Venmo to DraftKings. So, as example, depositing with Venmo as example. So, all you need to do or all you need to know, first of all, Venmo deposits process immediately. And the requirements, you'll need an ID verified, DraftKings sports books or casino account is required, and ID verified personal Venmo account that matches your associated DraftKings account information with an existing balance or on file is required. Then the Venmo account used to deposit must be in your name. So here there are some limitations, of course, if you want to read like what you can deposit and what you can't, and step-by-step instructions. So you need to log in to your DraftKings app or websites. You can do it in the website as well. Select Venmo on your payments option, enter the amount that you want to deposit, tap on the Venmo button to complete your deposits, authorize DraftKings to charge your Venmo account by tapping green complete. And in order to use Venmo on a desktop or laptop, players must make successful deposits via DraftKings app first, and once players of course make a Venmo deposits via the DraftKings app, they will see the option to deposit with Venmo via desktop or laptop experience. And of course, if you want to contact Venmo for any reason, here are the numbers and where they will be available, and or can simply contact the online support as well. There are some frequently asked questions. If you want to see the answer, I'll open them out here and you can read them. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.